Hello, sweeties. You asked for a Harry Potter themed cookie kit. So I'm gonna mix this one up with one of the travel cookie kits. So it's also going to be London inspired too. So you can travel via the tube or to platform 9 3/4, however you want to get there these days, just by kind of virtually getting there through a book or maybe listening to The Clash. I was going to listen to The Clash while I decorated cookies, but I think punk rock might be a little distracting. So here we go. I hope you're well, staying sweet, and enjoying your summer. And what else? What other news do I have? Wash your hands, glove up if you got them, and let's get started. This week you're going to get 6, maybe 7 shapes and about 6 different icing colors. So when you get your icing, you want to give it a mix just in case it's separated, which it has a tendency of doing sometimes. Just do that to all of yours, and then you will be ready to go. So I put some finishing touches on my cookies because I was having some technical difficulties earlier, and I'll do a little snapshot of that. But you're going to get some edible images to go along with your cookies to finish them off. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And if you can't travel to London right now via platform 9 3/4, via whatever, to actually physically get there, you can travel there through a book, through a movie, through a tune, and definitely via cookie. So be well, be sweet, Brooklyn and beyond. Until next time, which I think is, we're going to travel to our backyards and we're going to do foods that you can barbecue. And the following week, I think we're going to the land down under. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ta for now. That's what they say in London, right? Or, this cookie tutorial was brilliant.